Because we had decided to use this completely virtual environment approach, we figured it's an opportunity to take the best of the animation process and the best of motion capture and the best of live action. You combine those things, you can do something that nobody's done before.
You could just walk, we'll add everything else, and I was like, but how? That's not possible, but they made it possible.
This is a virtual production workflow.
We're trying to leverage the latest technologies that are available to us in lighting, rendering, and interactivity to enable a new set of tools to visualize shots that they would see on a live action set.
What makes us able to make this movie now is the technology to have photoreal animal animation.
Will you look at that?
Camera set, and action.
Every single shot requires hundreds of people and a tremendous amount of collaboration.
A lot of it is research. You just do a ton of research. That is your basis of reality. And the research is good because it sparks ideas and different ways of looking at it, and you get to kind of live it and walk through it. It's pretty much starting with the backbone or the basis of real life. The way it moves and looks and scrunches its face and the way it reacts to light. The only fantastical thing is that they actually speak.
What do you think they're talking about?
This idea of blending old and new technology, and then to see how they sew it all together. For me, it's magic.
The goal here is for people to not know what's real and what's not real. There's a lot of people, a lot of artists working on this film. There's a lot of technicians. Everybody's been very generous in sharing their techniques and their experiences. It's really been remarkable. Films have to be an emotional experience for the audience. You have to tell a good story. I wanted to hold that standard. If I'm engaged emotionally with the characters, all the spectacle was worth it.
Hey guys, did you know that Pierce Brosnan was contractually forbidden from wearing a full tuxedo in any non-James Bond movie from 1995 to 2002? For this and more movie facts, click on more videos. But if you want something else, click on the playlist.